about how can you get verified on your Talkie app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here. So you go down, you click in this sign down here, and you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. When you just click here on this sign, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on Talkie Creator Certificate. Here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here in Talkie Creator Verification. So then here, so can you add your username on Talkie app here if you want. So then when you go down here, you just here add your you did here on my page in Talk app. It's going to show for you like this here. For example, you add it here or your answer here. So when you're down, you go down and here can you choose to verify the individual here or business account. Then you click on next. Then it's going to take you to next step to follow it. Then it's going to get your verified. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.